Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today I will share with you the results of the community service entitled Training on Creating Interactive E-Modules based on book creator at SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta. We did this program in collaboration with SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta as a partner and also one of my colleagues from OMY. I divide the results of this presentation into 5 parts: introduction, method review, method, object, description and discussion, and also conclusions. Students continue to rely on teachers for guidance and direction throughout the learning process. Those teachers must be able to master the most recent learning technology in order to effectively transfer knowledge to students. However, teachers lack the necessary expertise and skills to produce engaging learning media for children. This is related to instructors' professional competence, which should always be increased, especially when students can operate electronic devices better than their teachers, including the use of learning media. In reality, as a tool, the media is anticipated to deliver constructed experiences, motivation to learn, and increase absorption and retention of student knowledge. This is likewise true at SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta, one of the top Muhammadiyah elementary schools in central Yogyakarta. Despite the significant input, the learning activities using learning media are far from adequate. As a result, teachers must be able to demonstrate their greatest teaching skills. And furthermore, one of the school's purposes is to prepare a generation that understands science and technology. Thus, instructors' expertise in this area is quite important. Possessing design and production skills is essential for educators in order to create educational materials that enable students to become more engaged, imaginative, and enthusiastic about their studies. This learning media can increase students' understanding in the classroom. Media, such as slides, photos, graphics, films, and computers, serve as useful tools for teachers in the teaching process. They can be used to illustrate, emphasize, and simplify complex verbal and visual information. As a teaching tool, media is expected to provide specific learning outcomes, learning motivation, increasing student engagement, and student retention. Learning media evolution prepares teachers to use resources provided by schools in accordance with changing needs and time constraints. This educational media greatly assists teachers in instructing students in schools, providing solutions to ensure that students are engaged and don't feel confused during the learning process. In order to achieve expected results, the teacher can shift the focus of instruction from the teacher becoming a teacher to the student becoming a facilitator. Educating students in every subject and instilling a sense of enjoyment in them can enhance their learning outcomes and boost their self-esteem. In educational context, media refers to visual, photographic, or electronic aids that are used to capture, amplify, and encourage the return of spoken or visual information. Media encompasses several forms of communication, including textual and visual media. When used properly, instructional media may be analyzed, observed, understood, and discussed, resulting in more effective learning outcomes. The process of implementing this community service can be described in an activity flow diagram that was prepared as a guide to the implementation of increasing the professional competence of teachers at SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta in creating interactive learning media. This diagram illustrates the steps that will be taken in the process of implementing the service, starting from the planning stage to evolution, to ensure that the implementation of activities runs successfully and has a positive impact on improving the competence of teachers at SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta. Um, the training and workshop for creating an interactive modules was held in the courtroom of the Faculty of Islamic Studies (MY) and was attended by 32 teachers of SD Muhammadiyah Wirbrajan 3 Yogyakarta. And we delivered two topics: First is development of interactive learning media for religious schools, and second is how to create interactive modules based on book creator. Before the workshop began, teachers were asked to answer questions that had been prepared to determine the level of initial understanding of teachers in learning assessment in the form of a pretest by filling out a Google form. Refreshing learning assessment models in this first stage, refreshing activities were carried out on the basic concepts of learning media in the digital era. Workshop on digital book creator platform and the use of this digital platform begins by providing an understanding and description of the function of the digital platform. At this stage, the advantages and disadvantages of its use in several subjects taught by each participant were explained. From the result, we can see that the pre-test and post-test results show an increase in the average value of each indicator of questions related to the knowledge. These results are presented in the form of an average percentage increase from questions related to knowledge. The highest average percentage of improvement related to knowledge was recorded in question number 5, with a value of 40%. This question is about the teacher's knowledge of the book creator platform. This shows that book creator is very easy to use, so teachers who are just learning are able to utilize the features. However, on the other hand, the lowest average percentage increase was recorded in question number 8 with a score of 8%. This question led to the teacher's difficulty in using the graphic features in the book creator platform. And then for the question of whether book creator can be used for all subjects, the results show that there was an increase of 36% for the answer. So in practice, teachers of any field of study have no difficulty applying this platform. To improve teachers' professional competence, the workshop activities proved effective, especially in making interactive learning media. The workshop results show that initially teachers' knowledge of the importance of learning media was not well embedded. But after the workshop was complete, the result of the practice of creating modules with the book creator platform for teachers show that the teachers are able to use this platform to create interesting and interactive learning materials. In addition, it has been proven that the use of the book creator platforms help teachers to be more creative and make learning materials more interesting for. I think that's all from our side. Thank you so much for LPM MY to support this program. UMY ada, masyarakat budaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.